Hello everyone, welcome back. So let's just move forward with our Python programming video shorts series, and we were just learning about the decorators in Python. So last time we just saw that function decorators in Python and decorator with arguments. Let's see another kind of decorators, that is nothing but the decorator with the parameters. Okay, so how we can just use out the decorators with parameters. So what would happen here? No, we're just going to I mean this would be such a decorators that themselves text the arguments. Okay, so let me just try to print out high three times. Okay, by a def function, say high function. Okay, so I'm going to just create out a repeat decorator which is going to take number of arguments and okay values, how many times you want to just print out the things. We're going to create out the decorator function here, and here we are going to pass of course the input function as a parameter, which is nothing but the func. So this is a normal function repeat. Okay, now we are going to just create out a wrapper function just to add the functionality. So yes, here I'm going to just loop by the help of for loop in range. Let's say range is nothing but n, whatever we are going to just define later on. We're going to call the actual function, which we will describe later on. We're going to just simply return wrapper function, and here we can just return out simply decorator. So here I'm just trying to define out first of all my repeat value, which is I want three times. My high should be repeated. Now actual def function, which is let's say high, which is going to give me okay, and yes, we are just going to print out what high. So if I'm going to run it, okay, so let's just try to give the semicolon here, it's missing out. Let's just try to call the function as well, because we haven't called out, right? Say hi. So if I'll just return out with this, actually there was an indentation error. So this is how you can just work on, right? We have just given the repeat function inside which we have passed out the value, n's value here, okay? And now we have given the actual function, that is say hi, which is going to just give the hi. Now I just want to decorate out this function. So I've created out a decorator. I have passed out say hi as a function parameter here. I've used out the wrapper function, used the range, okay, given range up till 3. Okay, we have passed out the actual function, then the execution comes here, then we are just going to simply return it, right? So I hope guys you understood this concept, decorators with parameters. Thank you.